dying to know, how has the show been for y'all this year?
This show is crazy. We have like people waiting for over here for a demo for like half an hour. So people are really interested in the products.
David, how's the show going this year?
Tori, it's so good to see you again, and we've had just a great turnout. The best reasons for attending Open House are, number one is you get to network with so many people to learn what's working for them, what's not working for them, and everybody's sort of at a different level, and we're a community, and this really helps people be successful. Number two is the education. We've got a lot of great classes that are running right now, Photoshop, Corel, artwork, value, creative studio, and so these classes really, I think, should be the focus. And then the last is you get to meet with the Conde people, you get to touch and feel products, and how cool is that?
Angie here from Georgia, and she's telling me about her business. Angie, what do you specialize in, and what are you excited to show off today?
I am so excited to show off my tags that I learned how to do last year. And my grandson's autistic, and I made little artistic dog tags for his classmates.
Well, any of the hot products that are here today, have they caught your attention?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I just got the Oki data from Conde last year, and I just love, love, love.
We absolutely thank everyone for coming out, for being part of this open house. The Conde crew has worked very diligently to make this happen, and the best part is we feed you.